أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
ودخل جنته وهو ظالم لنفسه قال ما أظن أن تبيد هذه أبدا.
And he entered his garden, wronging himself. He said, I do not think this will ever perish.
وما أظن الساعة قائمة ولئن رددت إلى ربي لأجدن خيرا منها منقلبا.
And I do not think the hour is coming. And even if I am returned to my Lord, I will find something better than this in return.
قال له صاحبه وهو يحاوره أكفرت بالذي خلقك من تراب ثم من نطفة ثم سواك رجلا.
His friend said to him, as he conversed with him, Are you being ungrateful to him who created you from dust, then from a sperm drop, then evolved you into a man?
لكن هو الله ربي ولا أشرك بربي أحدا.
But as for me, he is Allah, my Lord, and I never associate with my Lord anyone.
ولولا إذ دخلت جنتك قلت ما شاء الله لا قوة إلا بالله إن ترني أنا أقل منك مالا وولدا.
When you entered your garden, why did you not say, as Allah wills, there is no power except through Allah? Although you see me inferior to you in wealth and children.
فعسى ربي أن يؤتيني خيرا من جنتك ويرسل عليها حسبانا من السماء فتصبح صعيدا زلقا.
Perhaps my Lord will give me something better than your garden, and release upon it thunderbolts from the sky, so it becomes barren waste.
أو يصبح ماؤها غورا فلن تستطيع له طلبا.
Or its water will sink into the ground, and you will be unable to draw it.